So brand new barbecue plate. It's the demo. Before we can cook on it, we need to season it. So we've got the fire prepared. Barbecue's going to sit on the fire and get smoking hot. Going to pour some oil on it and wipe it over with paper towel and keep letting all the oil burn off it. And that should prepare that surface ready to make our hamburgers tonight. Alright, so these are the tools of the trade to season your barbecue. Pretty simple. Remember to be fire safe. Don't wear bare feet around fires. You can see the metal starting to turn a bit blue. Blue means it's hot. And it is hot. Holy moly's. It's breaking out a sweat here. Pour a bit of oil on. And that's just going to boil away and smoke up a storm. Fire's taken on a very oily sort of a smell now. So I've got my paper towel wedged up on my bush tongs. These tongs are extendable, look at that. I can reach right out without burning myself. Ooh, yuck. Ooh. Malfunction, kitchen malfunction. Oh, I've lost it. Oh dear. Come back for more oil. Please hold. Oh dear. Too much oil. We have an oil fire. Oh, paper's on fire now. So don't do that around fires. That'll burn you. Now I'm going to try and use my special tongs just to get this off. Oh no. Turned into Russell Coy here. All the survivors eventually perished. Oh. He was a circling. They know there's an easy meal coming up. Alright. Give that a few minutes and then our metal's all seasoned.